Hello and welcome to Chrome Story. Here we talk about Chrome OS and other Chromium based applications. Now in this video, this is a short one. I wanted to show you how to easily find which Chromebook you are using, especially if you are working with support or trying to post on the Google support forum and you want to find the exact model of your Chromebook. Now what you want to do is, this is the easiest way that I have found so far. Go to the Chrome web store and install the official Chromebook Recovery Utility. I have it installed here. Now what you do is, once that is installed, you open that up and click get started. It automatically identifies the exact model of your Chromebook, right? So for this Chromebook, it says enter this information. So it's basically the model number. If you click this, it says found a match, and it will also show you the brand or the name that people generally use. We don't say Eve D6B hyphen those numbers. If you want to say the model, you can see it here. But if you want the exact build board name, this is what you're looking for. Eve. That's the code name for this device, which Google used when it was under development. All right, so that is one very quick way of finding which Chromebook you are using, especially for support and other related tech use cases. All right, I hope you found this little tutorial useful. If you did, let me know by clicking that like button right below this video. Thank you for watching.